In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix common ElevenLabs error codes, including error 429 and error 400, so you can quickly understand what they mean and get back to generating audio without wasting time. If you use ElevenLabs for voice generation, these errors can be frustrating, especially when you're not sure whether the issue is your request, your voice ID, or the platform being overloaded. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to handle these errors more confidently. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about error code 4229, which means too many requests. This is usually a rate limit issue, and it often happens when you send too many requests too quickly. In some cases, ElevenLabs may return a system/busy message, which means the server is under heavy load. When that happens, the best fix is to wait a moment and use an exponential backoff retry strategy. That means if your request fails, you retry after a short delay, then increase the delay each time before trying again. This helps you avoid flooding the server and gives the system time to recover. Another possible 429 message is too many concurrent requests. This means you have exceeded the concurrent generation limit for your subscription tier. In simple terms, you're trying to run too many generations at the same time. To fix that, reduce the number of simultaneous requests, queue your jobs one at a time, or upgrade your plan if your workflow consistently needs more capacity. Now let's move on to error code 400, which means bad request. This usually means the server could not process the request because something in the input is invalid or formatted incorrectly. One common cause is max character limit exceeded. That means you are sending too many characters in a single request. To fix this, break your text into smaller chunks and send them separately. This is especially important if you're working with long scripts, articles, or full podcast episodes. Instead of sending one huge block of text, split it into manageable sections so the request stays within ElevenLabs limits. Another common 400 error is voice not found. This means the target voice ID does not exist or was misspelled. If you see this, double-check the voice ID in your request and make sure it exactly matches a valid voice in your ElevenLabs account. Even a small typo can cause the request to fail, so it's worth copying and pasting the ID directly instead of typing it manually. A good way to troubleshoot ElevenLabs errors is to check the exact message returned with the code. The number alone tells you the type of issue, but the message tells you the real cause. For 429 errors, focus on rate limits, concurrency, and retry timing. For 400 errors, focus on request structure, character length, and voice ID accuracy. If you're building with the ElevenLabs API, it also helps to log your requests so you can quickly see what was sent when the error happened. That makes it much easier to spot patterns and fix problems faster. You can also test with a shorter text sample first. If a short request works but a long one fails, you've probably run into the character limit. If one voice works and another doesn't, the problem is likely the voice ID, and if requests fail only when you send them quickly or in batches, you're dealing with rate limits or concurrent request limits. The key takeaway is that these error codes are actually helpful once you understand them. Error 429 means slow down, reduce concurrency, or retry intelligently. Error 400 means inspect your input, shorten your text, or verify your voice ID. Once you know what to look for, you can fix issues much faster and keep your ElevenLabs workflow running smoothly. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more troubleshooting guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.